Welcome to another video on nodal analysis. This is our first problem on nodal analysis, and we are required to find the value of the node voltages in the circuit. So we have been given our reference node. Our reference node has been chosen for us, and our other essential nodes have been labeled for us. So what we have to do now is we can proceed to writing the KCL equations at node 1. So we can say that at node 1, so the voltage at node 1 is V1. So we say we write for this branch, that would be V1 minus 0 divided by 2 ohms. Then we have V1 minus V2, that's plus V1 minus V2, that's the current flowing in this branch, divided by 4. Then we have the current coming into the branch. So because it's coming into the branch, it will be negative, so minus 5. So those are the 3 branches. Then we equate everything to 0. We can then proceed to simplifying this. So we have we can multiply through by 4. Then we have 2V1 plus V1 minus V2 equals 20. In essence, 3V1 minus V2 equals 20. Let's call this our first equation. Then we move on to node 2. At node 2. So we write for this branch, that would be V2 minus V1 divided by 4. Then this current is leaving, so it is positive, that's plus 5. Then we write for this branch, that's plus V2 minus 0 over 6. Then this current is entering, so that will be minus 10. Minus 10 equals 0. So we can multiply through by say 24. Then we would have 6V2 minus 6V1 plus 4V2 equals 120. So that would give us 10V2 minus 6V1 equals 120. Let's call this our second equation. We can then proceed to solving this simultaneously. And by doing that, we would have V1 would be equals to 13.33 volts, while V2 would be equals to 20 volts. Current flowing through this resistor. So the current flowing through this resistor through this 4 ohm resistor in this direction would then be V2 minus V1 divided by 4. So let's call that current I1. So I1 would be equals to V2 minus V1 divided by 4. And that would be 20 minus 13.33 divided by 4, which would be equals to 1 0.67 amperes. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.